If you subscribe, you can have a rock.
We will send you one rock. Nick. So we're here with Greg from Caliber. He's going to talk us through their new ramp release these guys have. It's really impressive.
It's a 1,500 pound capacity tri-fold ramp. Everything folds into the center here. It's a nice clevis spin. Keeps it closed when you're transporting. It's a multi-purpose ramp, so it's ATV, UTV, and trail side by side. So up to a 50-inch wide vehicle. Okay. Some of the changes that we made to this guy for this year, we have a new product, the 11.5-inch low pro grip glide. What that has allowed us to do is basically bring that stance in for a sled. So on the prior version, we were only able to load down to a 34-inch ski stance. With this version here, we're actually able to load down to a 30-inch ski stance. Okay. So it's primarily a change for the mountain segment, the Western guys. But then, some of the utility sleds that are on the market as well.
Okay, and you guys have your plastic inserts that go.
Correct. Yeah. So we have these guys here. This is called a ramp grip. What this is, it's a stud protector for the cross rails. So obviously, if you're running studs in the sled, you don't want to puncture the aluminum, pierce the aluminum. Obviously, it's just going to damage the ramp. So these guys just clip on the center here, just like this. Center it up. That's gonna prevent you from puncturing the aluminum when you're running a studded sled.
Okay. So what is the price starting without the inserts?
Without the ramp grips, MSRP is $399.95. So same price as the prior version. All of our products do have a lifetime warranty on them as well, versus manufacturer defects or part failure. So that's definitely something that we try to build upon. We stand behind our product 100%. Basically, no questions asked. Yeah.
And then what are the inserts here?
So they're $24.95 for the kit. They come 6 in a kit, so you'll need 2 of them to outfit the ramp. So it's about $50 each for that accessory.
And then you guys have plastic inserts for these available for sale for trailers and stuff?
Yes, correct. So all this product is also available in packaged kits. So if you're looking to do an installation like a trailer or an open trailer or an enclosed trailer, whatever the installation might be, there are packaged kits available for that product.
Well, thank you.
Absolutely.
What should they do? Should they subscribe? Or
They should subscribe and click the bell.
They should.
Yeah.